Hi, I'm Rachael Niederer and I'm an ophthalmologist at Auckland Eye. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to use an Amsler Grid because it's an incredibly powerful way of monitoring what's happening at the back of the eye in between your clinic appointments. So the Amsler Grid is this one here, and we have them quite often with a little magnet on the back so you can keep them on the fridge so you can see them easily. You are really watching for any changes that are occurring in your vision as a way of monitoring what's happening at the macula, which is that area at the back of the eye that's responsible for fine sight. And I use this a lot with patients with age-related macular degeneration, but other retinal diseases as well. It can be really important as a way of working out what's going on at the back of your eye. So the way that you use it is, first of all, we want to be holding it at the level that you'd normally read a book. And so if you would normally wear reading glasses, it's a good idea to put them on because we want to be able to see it as clearly as possible. You always want to check with each eye separately. So we're kind of looking with one eye and then we're checking again with the other. And that's because our brain can be so very clever at times that sometimes the vision can go down in one eye and we cannot realize it until we actually check with each eye separately. So what I'll do is I'll cover over one eye. I'm going to look right towards the center of this dot and really focus on that. And then I want to see whether the grid is straight or whether there are wavy lines within the grid or areas missing or areas that are a bit blurred. And if there's been any change, then I want to be calling my ophthalmologist. Then I'll check again with the other eye. And then just remembering to do that. Ideally, we're thinking about once a week, but some people like to do just a daily check because it's easier to get in the habit of and just keep it on the fridge, quick check whenever they walk past.
If any grid lines appear irregular, wavy, broken or distorted, or if any part of the grid is blurred or missing, please contact us immediately by calling 0800 255 393.
Auckland Eye.